In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger story option not showing. So first, we want to open our Messenger application and we want to tap on the three dash lines in the upper left of our screen and go to this gear icon, which is our settings. From here, we want to scroll down until we find the privacy and safety option. And from here, we can see the story control setting at the very bottom. We want to tap on that. And from here, you want to make sure that your are you selected friends only or public so that people can see your story. And now you want to tap on stories you've muted. In my case, I haven't muted any stories, but if in your case you want to disable that or you want to unmute those stories. If this method doesn't work, we want to go to our phone settings and we want to find our app settings and we want to scroll down until we find Messenger. And from here, we want to scroll down and go to our storage. And from here, you want to clear cache. And if it still doesn't work, what we want to do is to reinstall our Messenger and make sure that our Messenger is up to date. So when we go to Play Store and search on Messenger, make sure that there is no update button there. And we want to make sure that our Messenger app is up to date. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.